some horses. Look at the horses. Yo, I'm doing a video. My buddies.
What up?
Nico. John.
Who's Matt's in the bathroom? This is for all of America. We're gonna replay this video 100 times. Look how beautiful this is, America.
America is huge. Yo, I'm so happy right now. Maybe you guys don't know it. Maybe you do. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. It's gonna be on YouTube, on Instagram or something. These are my boys. This is the mastermind of all masterminds right here. My main man Nico, all the way from California by way of Philly. My main man John, all the way from Nebraska.
Go Skurs.
Go Skurs. Hey, I'm telling you, we're having a blast. Loving Virginia Beach. Got my man Matt. He's in the bathroom right now. Doing his business. doing his business. All the way from Florida by way of New York. So yeah, we're just living it up. Anybody want to come join us, hang out? It's amazing. Got a beautiful hotel with an ocean view. Spent the whole weekend together. Love my brothers. See you soon.